Okay, so this is the second video, and this is step one. And the first thing that you need to do is your criminal background check from the FBI. It has to be nationwide, so you have to request it from the FBI. And the first thing you want to do is you want to go to fbi.gov. Then there'll be a link, and you just click on background checks. And after you click on background checks, over to the right it says forms and links in red. So what you want to do is you want to download and print the FD-258. That's the fingerprint card. You have to have that for the background check, but you already knew that. Anyway, so then you want to fill out the actual criminal background form and print that out. In the area where it says reason for request, you want to say that you're going to use this overseas and that it needs to be apostilled. What that means, apostilled, is the FBI is going to sign it and put a seal on it. That allows it to be apostilled by your Department of State, Secretary of State. So there's two apostille type things, but you need to put that in. The reason for request is that you're going to use it overseas and it needs to be apostilled by the FBI. Then the easiest thing to do as far as payment goes, just go ahead and download the credit card form, fill that out, print that out, and include that. You're also going to need a prepaid return envelope with your address on it. They'll send everything back that way. After you have all that, then you're going to need to get fingerprinted. So you already downloaded and printed the FD-258. Fill that out. And what I had to do is I called the sheriff's office. They gave me the phone number to where I can get my fingerprints done. Now, the current charge for the fingerprints is $15 a set and then $5 for any additional sets. So I'm looking at 20 bucks because I'm going to go ahead and get fingerprinted for my file in my county for teaching later on. Anyways, so what's going to happen is you're going to get fingerprinted. That's like 15 bucks. You're going to put that in with your criminal background form, the request that they apostille it. You're going to use it overseas. Download the credit card form to pay for it, include a returned envelope, and then that is $18. So now, once you get everything back from them, you have to get the criminal background check notarized. I don't really know how to go about that yet. I'll either add a little link down here or I'll do another video. After you get it notarized, then you have to send it to get apostilled. Now, for me, getting it apostilled, I have to send an $8 check, or they do have a credit card form too. But you just go to FBI.com, and then that's the cover letter for the apostille. This was tricky. This was hard to find. It took me forever. I Googled and all this other stuff. So where I found it was www.secretary.state.North Carolina. That's my state. You can probably just put in the abbreviation for whatever state. .us/Authen AUTHEN/APOSINFO APOSINFO.ASPX, and that is the cover letter that you just print out and fill out, and that requests that your criminal background check be apostilled. Put all that good stuff in an envelope, send them $8 more, and then you just wait, and that's your criminal background check done by the FBI.